In this video we're going to be learning about similar polygons. Now a polygon, just a reminder, is a 2D shape that has at least two sides. So a 2D shape with two or more sides. Probably the one that you recognize the most is a triangle that has three sides. If something has four sides, that would be a quadrilateral, because quad means four. There's also a pentagon that has five sides, hexagon has six, and so on. So those are all polygons. Similar polygons, let me just type this up here. Okay, polygons are similar if they are proportional. Now if you're not sure what proportional means, in other words, their scale factors will always be the same no matter which side length you compare. Now this idea might already be a little familiar to you if you've finished the Transformations Part 4 assignment where you learned about scale factors. The very last question was about someone trying to enlarge a poster to be the size of a wall, and we were trying to figure out if he had to crop the image or not. Well, that's testing to see if the two images are proportional. So let's do a quick example here. If this image is 3 centimeters by 4 centimeters, and it's going to be enlarged to have a height of, let's say, 9 centimeters and a width of 16 centimeters. So we're going to compare the scale factors if we looked at the height and then the width. So first let's compare their heights. Let's say h. So to find the scale factor, I'm going to take the new height, so that's 9, and I divide it by the original height, which is 3. 9 divided by 3 gets me 3. Now if I compare their widths, so w, the new width is 16, and it used to be 4. So I'm going to do 16 divided by 4, and that gets me 4. So since we got different answers, different scale factors, that means that they are not proportional, which means they are not similar. Let's try another quick example. So we've got two triangles, and the question is, are these polygons similar? So what we need to do is find the scale factor by comparing each of the three different sides. So first I'm going to start by comparing the length of the hypotenuse. So that's the side that's opposite the right angle. So here it's 5, and here it's 1. So my scale factor there is going to be the new distance, which is 1, divided by its original distance, which is 5. And 1 divided by 5 is 0.2. Next, let's compare this side length here, that's 4. So I know that becomes the 0.8. I can tell this triangle has just been rotated a little bit. So the scale factor for that side is going to be 0.8 divided by 4. And if I calculate that, 0.2. So that's a good sign. So far the triangles are proportional, but there is still one more side we need to check. And that is this side here. So the 3, which becomes the side that's 0.6 long. So the scale factor there, I would do 0.6 divided by 3. And if I calculate that, I get the same answer, 0.2. So, since all scale factors are the same, our object is proportional, so that means, yes, those two triangles are similar. I'm actually going to stop the video here. There is one more thing I'm going to explain, and that's finding the missing side length of a polygon if you know that they're already similar. So I'm going to do that in the next video.